Welcome. Today, let's learn English through a calm and powerful life story. Before he was a president, before his name was written in history books, he was just a quiet boy in a small wooden cabin. No comfort, no power, no attention. When people hear the name Abraham Lincoln, they often imagine speeches and leadership. But his story does not begin with greatness. It begins with simplicity, with silence, with hardship. He was born into poverty. The house was small. The land was rough. Life was not easy. His family worked hard just to survive. There were no soft beds, no long education, no clear future. Every day demanded effort. Every day tested patience. This kind of beginning shapes a person deeply. Lincoln did not grow up surrounded by praise. He grew up surrounded by work. He learned to split wood. He learned to help his family. He learned responsibility early. But something else was growing inside him, a quiet strength, a deep sense of fairness. He watched the world carefully. He listened more than he spoke. This quiet beginning mattered. It taught him humility. It taught him empathy. He understood struggle because he lived it. He did not look down on people. He stood among them. This is why many trusted him later, not because he was loud, but because he was real.
Great leaders are not always born in great places. Sometimes they come from the simplest rooms. Sometimes strength grows in silence. This story starts there, in a small cabin, with a boy who did not know his future yet, but was already becoming strong in the most important way. Useful phrases. His story does not begin with greatness. Life was not easy. Every day demanded effort. He listened more than he spoke. Strength grows in silence.
Lincoln's childhood was not only poor, it was heavy. Life tested him early, and it did not stop. His family moved often, searching for better land and better chances. Each move meant starting again. New work, new struggles. Stability was rare. School was also rare. Lincoln went to school for less than 1 year in total. Most of what he learned alone. Books were precious. They were not easy to find. When Lincoln found one, he treated it with respect. He read by firelight at night, after long days of physical labor. His hands were tired, his body was exhausted, but his mind stayed awake. Reading became his escape. Words opened doors when real doors were closed. Knowledge became his quiet companion. Loss shaped him deeply. When Lincoln was young, his mother died. This moment changed him forever. He became more silent, more thoughtful. Pain entered his life early, but it did not make him bitter. It made him gentle. He learned to understand sadness in others because he carried it himself. This emotional depth stayed with him for life. Work was hard and constant. Lincoln split wood, he worked fields, he helped neighbors. There was no praise for this work. It was expected. Through this, he learned discipline. He learned responsibility. He learned that effort matters even when no one is watching. These lessons stayed stronger than any classroom lesson.
Despite all this, Lincoln did not grow angry at the world. He did not complain about unfairness. He accepted reality and looked for meaning inside it.
This calm response to hardship became part of his character. While others reacted with force, he reacted with patience. This childhood did not prepare him for comfort, it prepared him for endurance. It did not teach him confidence through success, it taught him strength through difficulty. Long before leadership, Lincoln learned how to stand quietly in hard moments, and that ability would later define him more than power ever could. Useful phrases. Life tested him early. Books were precious. He learned alone. Pain made him gentle. Strength through difficulty.
As Lincoln grew older, life did not become easier. In many ways, it became more uncertain. He left home and began to look for his place in the world. There was no clear path. He tried different jobs. He worked as a store clerk. He became a postman. He studied law on his own. Nothing came quickly. Nothing was guaranteed. Failure followed him closely. Several businesses failed. He lost money. He lost stability. He lost confidence at times. Many people would have stopped trying. Many would have chosen a quieter life. Lincoln did not quit, but he did not rush either. He moved forward slowly, carefully. He accepted setbacks as part of the road. Politics entered his life early, but success did not. He ran for office and lost. He tried again and lost again. Public rejection is painful. It tests pride. It tests belief. Lincoln felt this pain deeply. He suffered from long periods of sadness. Some today would call it depression. Yet even in dark moments, he did not turn bitter. What made Lincoln different was how he responded. He did not attack others. He did not blame the world. He reflected. He learned. He improved his thinking. He sharpened his words. He listened to people with different views. This ability to stay calm under pressure slowly earned respect. His speaking style was simple. He avoided complex language. He spoke so ordinary people could understand. This was not weakness, it was strength. His words felt honest because they came from experience, not ambition. Over time, people began to notice, not because he was loud, but because he was consistent. These years taught Lincoln how to stand alone, how to keep moving without applause, how to believe without proof. Long before leadership came, he learned patience, he learned humility, and he learned that quiet persistence can be stronger than talent or speed. Useful phrases. Life did not become easier. Failure followed him closely. He did not quit. His words felt honest. Quiet persistence. When Abraham Lincoln became president, the country was already breaking apart. The United States was divided deeply. North and South did not trust each other. Anger was loud. Fear was everywhere. Many leaders spoke with fire. Many demanded quick answers. Lincoln chose a different way. He stayed calm. The Civil War began soon after he entered office. It was the hardest test of his life. Every day brought bad news. Thousands of young men died. Families suffered. The pressure on Lincoln was enormous. People criticized him from all sides. Some said he was too slow. Some said he was too soft. Others said he was too strong. No choice pleased everyone. Lincoln carried this weight quietly. He listened carefully before he spoke. He read letters from soldiers and parents. He felt the pain of the nation personally. Leadership for him was not about control. It was about responsibility.
He believed that power should be guided by morality, not by anger, not by pride. One of his most important decisions was the fight against slavery. He understood that this issue stood at the center of the conflict. Ending slavery was risky. It could divide the country even more. But Lincoln believed that a nation could not survive half free and half enslaved. This belief guided him, even when it was unpopular. His speeches during this time were short and clear. He avoided dramatic language. He spoke about unity, sacrifice, and hope. The Gettysburg Address is one example. Few words, deep meaning. Lincoln showed that calm words can carry great power. He did not try to inspire through noise. He inspired through truth. As the war continued, Lincoln aged quickly. His face grew tired. His eyes showed pain. But his inner direction stayed steady. He believed the nation could heal. He believed peace was possible. His calm leadership did not remove suffering, but it gave people something rare: trust. In the middle of chaos, Lincoln remained grounded. This was his strength, not speed, not force, calm under pressure, a steady hand in a broken time. Useful phrases. The country was deeply divided. He chose a different way. Leadership was about responsibility. Few words, deep meaning. Calm under pressure. People did not call him great because he was powerful. They called him Honest Abe because he was fair. Honesty was not an image for Lincoln, it was a habit. From his early years, he believed that truth matters, even when it is uncomfortable, even when it costs something. This belief followed him through life. Lincoln spoke simply. He did not hide behind complex words. He believed that clear language shows respect. When people listened to him, they felt understood. He used stories and humor to explain serious ideas. This made him human. It made him close to ordinary people. Humor was not weakness for him. It was a bridge. He also showed deep compassion. During the war, he often visited wounded soldiers. He listened to their stories. He read letters from families. These moments affected him deeply. He did not see soldiers as numbers. He saw them as sons and brothers. This humanity shaped his decisions. Lincoln believed that leadership should never forget people. Even his enemies were treated with restraint. He avoided cruelty. He avoided revenge. When the war was ending, many wanted punishment. Lincoln spoke about healing instead. He believed the future mattered more than anger. This choice required courage. Honesty also meant admitting limits. Lincoln did not pretend to know everything. He changed his mind when new information appeared. This flexibility made him stronger. He understood that leadership is not about ego, it is about service. This balance of honesty and humanity defined him. It made people trust him, even when they disagreed. His calm voice carried weight because it came from integrity. In a world of loud opinions, Lincoln showed that quiet truth can last longer. Useful phrases. Honesty was a habit. Clear language shows respect. Humor was a bridge. Leadership should never forget people. Quiet truth can last longer.
Abraham Lincoln did not live to see the full peace he hoped for. His life ended suddenly, just as the war was coming to a close. The nation was tired, wounded, searching for direction. Lincoln's death shocked the country deeply. People did not only lose a president, they lost a steady presence, a calm voice in a loud and broken time. What remained was his legacy, not a perfect man, not a flawless leader, but a human example of quiet strength. Lincoln showed that leadership does not need pride, it needs purpose. He showed that honesty can survive pressure, that patience can guide power, that simple words can carry deep truth. Today, people still read his speeches. They still quote his thoughts, not because they are complex, but because they are clear. His ideas feel alive because they speak to human struggles, fear, division, responsibility, hope. These things do not disappear with time. That is why his story still matters. Lincoln reminds us that greatness does not begin with confidence. It begins with character. It grows through hardship. It strengthens through failure. He stood for fairness when it was dangerous. He stayed calm when the world demanded anger. This kind of strength is rare, and it is needed in every generation. You do not need power to learn from Lincoln. You only need attention. His life teaches us how to listen, how to speak carefully, how to act with integrity, even when it is difficult. These lessons are not historical, they are personal. Thank you for listening to this story. If you enjoyed learning English through calm history and human lessons, explore our other videos. We tell simple stories about real people, real lives, and quiet strength. Stay with us, learn English through story, and let the next story continue your journey.
Thanks! Please subscribe and like. Spin a new yarn with us every week. See you there!